There's nothing gonna stop us now.
Get to the airlock! Go, go, go!
Snake, buddy, I'm sorry. What? No. Stop farting, you maniac. Help me.
Secure the airlock.
Whatever you say, boss. It's just a heist.
It's never just a heist! Turn it off. I'm just getting started.
It's total mayhem! A cataclysmic gold storm is literally destroying the city!
Wolf?
Doesn't that word sound kind of made up? Gold.
Is that supposed to be funny?
I'm gonna need you to turn off the magnet, or I'll just do it for you.
Stay with me. I don't want to die like this. Come on, Piranha. Your friend is spinning out of space. You should know what to do.
At least when you were the big bad wolf, they respected you.
Respect is earned. One day you'll learn that. It's not about the action. It's about the distraction.
Honestly, Wolf, what made you think this would work?
Tuna power! I got it!
You want to see a power move, kitty? Nice work, kid.
No.
Hello? Need a hand?
No!
We tried to stop her from posting.
Whoa, Diane, what are you doing here?
Ugh. Gross. Well, what happened to medium friendly?
Alert. It is a massive system failure. Alert. We're falling out of orbit.
If there's one thing that I know about this crew, it's that we never, ever give up.
One last hug, everybody. I think this is it, Wolfie.
We're doomed!
We're gonna land this thing, or we're gonna die trying!
This one's for you, Wolfie! And I would give anything to arrest them just one more time.
But it's too late, because now they're dead.
Are you gonna tell us what this is all about?
Yeah, because I don't feel dead.
Did I sell it or did I sell it?
I don't understand. What's happening?
We're offering you a job, son. ISPLA,
Huh? Sounds kind of made up.
the International Supergalactic League of Protectors.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Ready to get to work? Agent Wolf.
I love it when a plan comes together.